everyone, welcome to all. So today we are going to study some examples of converse, inverse and contrapositive of the conditional statements. Okay, so we take the example: state converse, inverse and contrapositive of the following implications. Okay, so first statement: if 2 plus 9 equals to 11, then I am not the Prime Minister of India. Okay, so see here the statement: if 2 plus 9 equals to 11, then I am not the Prime Minister of India. Okay, so here first of all we want to denote the prepositions. So we all know the statement: if P then Q. Okay, so here the preposition P denotes 2 plus 9 equals to 11. So P denotes 2 plus 9 equals to 11. And the preposition Q denotes I am not the Prime Minister of India. So statement Q denotes I am not the Prime Minister of India. Okay, so now here we denote the two prepositions P and Q. Now here we want to find its converse, inverse and contrapositive. Okay, so now here first we find its converse. So here the converse of conditional statement P implies Q is Q implies P. So here converse is nothing but Q implies P. Okay, so here the preposition Q, I am not the Prime Minister of India, and P denotes 2 plus 9 equals to 11. So its converse is if I am not the Prime Minister of India, then 2 plus 9 equals to 11. So this is the converse. See here, converse of conditional statement P implies Q is Q implies P. So here we get the statement: if I am not the Prime Minister of India, then 2 plus 9 equals to 11. Okay. Now the second point: inverse. Inverse of conditional statement P implies Q is negation P implies negation Q. So this is converse. Okay, so now first we find the negation of statement P. So statement P is 2 plus 9 equals to 11. So its negation is 2 plus 9 not equals to 11. So and next negation of statement Q. So Q is I am not the Prime Minister of India. So its negation I am the Prime Minister of India. So here its inverse: if 2 plus 9 is not equals to 11, then I am the Prime Minister of India. of India. So this is the inverse. 2 plus 9 not equals to 11, then I am the Prime Minister of India. Okay, and third last one, contrapositive. So contrapositive of conditional statement P implies Q is nothing but negation Q implies negation P. Okay, so here again negation Q, I am the Prime Minister of India, and negation Q, 2 plus 9 is not equals to 11. So contrapositive, if I am the Prime Minister of India, then negation P is, then 2 plus 9 is not equals to 11. So this is the contrapositive of the conditional statement P implies Q. So all of you get it, how to find the converse, inverse and contrapositive of the given conditional statement. Okay, so today we stop here. Thank you all.